Hello everyone, it's me Gagan Kumar, present over here to teach you physics. Let's move on to the video. So now today we'll be discussing how to find the speed of light in this medium of unknown refractive index. And here some diagram is given here. And a light ray is traveling from liquid medium to some air medium. So here nothing is mentioned, means it is air medium. Now you need to find what is the speed of light in this liquid medium, and this liquid medium refractive index is not given. Okay, that means normally what idea we have, now refractive index equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in a medium. And you know, if you know the refractive index of this medium, then you can find speed equal to C by mu. Then easily you can find, but refractive index you don't know. Certain diagrams are given, here length is 30 centimeter, here length is 40 centimeter. From that you can find something about refractive index. Now see, if we will analyze this picture we studied actually in 12th standard, ray optics, and under a TIR we studied this one, total internal reflection. So what is total internal reflection? Now when your light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, that means from a liquid medium to air medium, then if this incidence angle is greater than critical angle, then light ray will totally reflect back. That is basically TIR. But here light is not reflecting back, light is going on the boundary. Light is not passing also to air medium, light is not going, the diffraction is not happening, refraction is also not happening. So here this is minimum condition of TIR, that means this incidence angle I can take as theta c, incidence angle can take as theta c. And here for this liquid I can take refractive index as mu, and here if this angle is theta c, then this angle also will be theta c. So due to this geometry, theta c. Now from here I can understand now my minimum condition of TIR is sin theta c, that is nothing but 1 by refractive index. And what is theta c? Now theta c from the TIR concept already we know that it is critical angle for liquid and air media, theta c. So how this sin theta c equal to 1 by mu coming? Now on the surface if we apply Snell's law, we will get this one, already we have derived this formula under TIR, but here just understand, if we applying Snell's only I can get this, so directly I can use this formula here. Now sin theta c equal to 1 by mu, and you know mu is nothing but what it is, now C divided by V medium. Okay, so light speed in a medium. If refractive index you want to find, then it is speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. Now this one I can write as sin theta c equal to V medium, this V will go up divided by C. And from here, from this expression, if I want to find what is my V medium, it will be what? Speed of light into sin theta c, and sin theta c is critical angle. So now from here I can write this, I can write my sin theta c into C, speed of light is nothing but velocity of light in this medium or in this liquid. This liquid basically I am taking as medium. Now we need to find sin theta c. Now we will see this geometry picture, you see this is O, this is A, this is B. We will take this picture OAB triangle, from there I can get, from the triangle OAB, what I can get? Sin theta c, okay, equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now see here perpendicular is given 30, and what is hypotenuse? Now hypotenuse is nothing but, it is, if this is 30, this is 40, then this will be definitely 50. Okay, already you know this one. Now p square plus b square root you have to take also, is nothing but what it is? H. Okay. So that means here 30 square plus 40 square root 2 if I will take, I will get basically what? 50. So this hypotenuse is nothing but 50. So sin theta is nothing but your perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it is basically 30 by 50. Now 0 0 will get cancelled, so you will get 3 by 5. Sin theta c is 3 by 5. So from the picture I am getting sin theta c, and c already I know, speed of light in vacuum medium. So what I can calculate here? This implies my v in this medium or liquid is equal to nothing but sin theta c is 3 by 5 into 3, c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So answer will come in meter per second. So what will be answer here? 9 by 5 into 10 to the power 8 meter by second. And 9 by 5 is nothing but it is around 1.8 into 10 to the power 8 meter by second. So speed of light in this liquid is nothing but 1.8 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so this is the way we need to solve the problem. So here most idea we have basically sin theta c equal to 1 by mu, but here little changes you to do. This mu directly not given, and sin theta c you have to find from the picture, and mu formula to write as c by v. Then after v will be c into, c means speed of light into sin theta c, or theta c is nothing but critical angle. So this multiplication you have to do, you have to get the speed of light in the liquid medium. So this will be your answer, 1.8 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. I hope you understand. Like and subscribe Vidhyalakshmi NEET Academy YouTube channel. All the very best.